Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'll be doing a Hapa Kristin video for you guys, and this will be my recommendation of contact lenses for the summer. Now, because I live in New Zealand, it's actually not even my summer, it's actually winter now, but I know for some of you guys it will be your summer, so I thought why not do this video for you guys. And I have actually 6 contact lenses which I want to recommend, and they are all monthly prescription as well. Now, before I go into any more details of these contact lenses, I'll just quickly put the shipping details here because I feel like it's one of the highlights when shopping at Hapa Kristin, because their express shipping is not only affordable, but if you reach a certain amount of spending, you get free DHL shipping or express shipping, which I think is definitely worth it. I also put my discount code here, which I'm actually not affiliated to it, just want to mention that, but I thought I'll put it here because you guys can get 10% off as well. How I've chose this contact lenses is I just try and make sure that I only choose one contact lenses from each color choices that Hapa Kristin have, so that if you guys like blue or purple or green, there's always one contact lenses that I'm going to mention here, just so that I don't miss out on any. So let's get the review started. First one is a Hazel shade, and I absolutely love Hazel because it's like a mixture of like a brown and a green. So if you're like in the middle, you don't like too much brown or too much green, but you like neutral, I feel like Hazel is actually a good balance. Now, this one I have is called Wannabe Kristin, and I absolutely love this one. Graphic diameter for this is actually 13.2, and the turnout of this on my eyes is absolutely gorgeous. Even though close up it looks like the outer rim is such a deep dark color, but the way it has blended into the nice hazel golden shade in the inner part of the eyes, it looks so beautiful, it looks so blendable. I just love the combo of it, and looking at it, I feel like it leans towards a little bit more of the brown side rather than the green side, if that makes sense, and definitely give you much more of that goldy, beigey, gray tone kind of hazel look, if that makes sense. And I absolutely love this particular lens. Then I have a brown shade, which / also is called an ash brown, and this one is from Peaceful Kristin ash brown, and the diameter for this is 13.2mm as well. Sorry, I mean the graphic diameter. And Peaceful Kristin has definitely been one of my favorite collection for Hapa Kristin, so hands down absolutely love any of the colors from Peaceful Kristin, but for the brown I definitely have to choose this ash brown because I love how beautiful this is, and it gives you a little bit of that little enlargement but a little bit natural as well. What I like for this is that I would like Hapa Kristin to eventually release this as one-day collection, because I would so use this on a daily basis. The reason why I like this probably so much is that because this reminds me a lot of the Olens Vivid Ring Brown, which is one of my all-time favorite from Olens. So I'll put like a side-by-side comparisons for you guys to check out as well. But I definitely love this, and this is definitely much more ashy, much more lighter than the Vivid Ring one, and this one is definitely much more ashy. You don't really call it like a chocolate brown, if that makes sense. It's definitely much more lighter, much more golden, and I love that this one have like a very special outline to it. It gives you a little bit of that outline, but when you look at it close up, it looks like little speckled dots, but once you put it on your eyes, it just blends out nicely, and that's how it gives you that lovely enlargement on the eyes. Then we have a gray color, and this is another Peaceful Kristin one, and this one is just called Charcoal Gray. Absolutely love this because I feel like with this gray has a little bit of that blue undertone as well, and depending how you see it, like where you're standing, you can sort of see like it's a mixture between a gray or blue, or it could look like more blue or look more gray. But for me, it's much more of a gray tone, and this one again reminds me of the Vivid Ring Gray, which I'll put a comparison for you guys. And this one has a really nice black outline as well, which I think is a nice combo with the gray color. This one would definitely be the smallest contact lens of all the ones I've mentioned, and this one is from the green line. This is the Micdrop Kristin in green shade, and the graphic diameter for this is 12.8mm. I have to say that this is very similar to the Spanish line, the olive color, where it focuses a lot on the inner part of your iris rather than the outer part. I just love the stripiness of this, and in between each stripe has so many different tone of colors. I mean, I'm probably exaggerating so many, but at least 3. You have a little bit of that olive shade, you have a little bit of that gray, you have a little bit of brown, and when you mix it all together on your eyes, the combo just looks so nice on the eyes. It just blends so nicely, and I don't know, I just absolutely love this color so much, and I'm sure you guys can see from the picture, you will probably agree as well. And if you have to pick one, just one from all of this to try, if it's your first time trying Hapa Kristin, definitely give this Micdrop one a go. And I know that my friend Judy absolutely loved the Micdrop line as well, and she is more of like the natural gal, and she doesn't like too much of an enlargement on the eyes but want to wear contact lens. She always go for Micdrop because she always say that the diameter is actually not that big. So I would definitely recommend this for those who are like her as well. If you want to go all out and out of your comfort zone, or you like colorful contact lens, now this is a purple color, and this one is actually called Ahhh Kristin, and this is in the shade violet. Now the diameter for this one is actually small too, 12.9mm in terms of the graphic, I mean, but when I put this on, it does look quite enlarging for me. And for me, I think it's more so because the color is so bold that it makes it look so vibrant and obvious on the eyes, hence why I felt like it was quite large on my eyes, but I don't think it was. And I feel like with this one, the color is very unique because it's like a grape kind of purple color, and it reminds me of the chick from The Witcher. Cannot wait for The Witcher to come back, but this eye color is definitely very unique. So if you want to try something different, definitely recommend this one. Last but not least is a blue shade, which is what I'm currently wearing right now, and the graphic diameter for this is 12.9, and this one is called G.O.A.T Kristin in the shade blue. And I have to say, this is actually my first time trying this blue, and I am super amazed with the turnout of this. This particular color really reminds me of another design from Hapa Kristin, which I'll put side by side for you guys to see. However, I feel like with this one, it's definitely much more natural looking in terms of the outline, because this outline is so thin, but at the same time it has so many colors inside the contact lens. I love that this particular contact lens really give me that icy, sexy kind of look. So with this one, you get a little bit of that golden outer rim, and going in you get that stripiness of like sky blue, and in between as well you actually get a little bit of pink color in the middle of the contact lens, which I find really unique. I'm not sure why they have specks of pink, but I just love the combination of all of these 3. But overall you see more of that blue color, and I can tell you that it is a smaller diameter, but because of the color, it just looks so attractive on the eyes. I absolutely love this color, and this is definitely, I would say, of all these colors, this is definitely a perfect summer contact lens, because you want your eyes to pop during the summer. You want that golden look, you know, like that. I don't know what I'm even saying, but I just have to say I absolutely love this particular color. And again, this is one of the contact lenses I probably want them to have like one-day contact lenses, because I can see myself using this. Imagine using smoky eyes on this with this contact lens. It would be like so wonderful. But yeah, I'm just going off the topic now. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoy my recommendations for the summer. Let me know what you guys think. Let me know if you try any Hapa Kristin contact lenses and you want to recommend to me, which I haven't done a review on. Let me know down below. Let me know what are your summer contact lenses to go as well. I would love to know as well. And I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye guys.